Flash flood warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, San Bernardino County in southern California until 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 10 p.m. PDT. At 6:50 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 6:50 p.m.
Weather Service in Las Vegas has
radar
issued a
indicated
flash flood
thunderstorms producing heavy rain near Lake Havasu and Parker Dam. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Plus minus 95 near Vidal Junction may also be affected. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lake Havasu City, Highway 95 at mile marker 29, Parker Dam, Desert Hills, Vidal Junction, Big River, Three Dunes Campground, Black Meadow Landing Campground, and Cattail Cove State Park. Severe thunderstorm 29, Parker Dam, Desert Hills, Vidal Junction, Big River, Three Dunes Campground, Black Meadow Landing Campground, and Cattail Cove State Park.